Welcome to the Clinical Certificates in Dental Implantology at Thamba University Hospital Complex. This is the first NIHS-accredited program in the UAE. Designed as a structured one-year pathway, the program provides you evidence-based didactic education with intensive clinical training to help clinicians advance their implant practice.
Hello, I'm Dr. Saleh, a GP practicing in Dubai. What truly makes this program different is the hands-on clinical experience. From the beginning, you work on real patient under one-to-one supervision. This helps up in building your confidence at every step.
Our goal is to develop confident clinicians through real patient experience, expert mentorship, and provide a comprehensive learning journey that will prepare our graduates for eligibility of implant privileges across MOH, DOH, and DHA. Thank you.
Admission open 2026-27.